वहाँ पे कुछ दोस्त बैठे हुए हैं, उनको कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं अपने कोबो के बारे में. What do you do?
I work as a research scientist at Scan AI at a US-based startup.
Okay, Scan AI में.
Yeah.
अरे good यार.
I work at Deloitte as an agentic AI consultant.
अरे सब AI वाले ही ये लोग.
Opposite fields, not the AI person. I work in marketing,
Okay.
content writing.
Content writing.
Yeah.
Okay, and you?
I'm studying right now.
You're studying.
Yeah.
तो फिर इनके साथ कैसे?
College.
College.
College friends.
College friends. Okay. So you guys started working like recently or कैसे?
It's been about 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
And what's your background?
I did my
About-
undergrad in electrical engineering from IIT Gandhinagar with my minors in CS and AI.
Okay.
Yeah, so
And which year you passed out?
2023.
2023 मतलब recently. You?
I did my BBA from NMIMS and then I worked at a German consulting firm and now working at Deloitte as in AI.
यार मतलब एकदम परफेक्ट अपने को लोग मिले हुए हैं. ठीक है. पहले इनको पूछते हैं. ठीक है. आपको सपोज वेबसाइट्स बनानी है, राइट, या मोबाइल ऐप्स बनाने हैं, तो जनरली कितना टाइम लगता है कोई मोबाइल ऐप या वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए? जैसे अमेजॉन टाइप की वेबसाइट बनानी होगी तो कितना टाइम लगेगा?
I am genuinely not aware. I think for the basic website, it could be like 1 to 2 days, or if it's complicated, then obviously you keep on working on it. So,
So
I'm
complicated,
assuming
like complete Amazon where you can sell your product, payment gateway options, everything, UPI, everything.
3 months to
More than 3 months.
ace it.
Okay.
Well,
What do you think?
I think for a base, okay, you were asking for the hard ones, like the big
Yeah,
ones.
and base one, एकदम simple portfolio website.
I think that so we can do on like Wix and all, no? Like
हाँ.
some automated like whatever pages.
Okay.
The hard ones, I would hire a website designer probably and just let them do whatever. But maybe I think around 3-4 months.
Okay. आपके लिए. So can you build websites on WhatsApp?
Not that I'm aware of. There could be a new extension or tool that they've integrated, but I'm not aware of that.
Okay. What do you think? Can you make websites on WhatsApp?
I think it's doable. You can have an API extension that goes to a model that does it's makeable. Can do, but it'll be really convenient for a lot of people. It'll be definitely be very convenient for a lot of people who aren't very upfront with using, they're not used to the distribution of what AI is. So 100% works. It's a very good idea for a lot of people. Again, if that can be actually surmounted into something that's usable, then that's really nice for a lot of people. 100%.
I'm assuming that's your startup.
Yeah, and that's my startup. That's our startup. So basically, you can actually build your websites on mobile apps just by chatting on WhatsApp.
Do your outputs like in like localhost like format, or do you give code?
No, it's actual your link.
You'll give like a URL link.
URL link.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how do people edit it if they want to?
No, it's just like okay.
Prompt and then edit.
Prompt and edit.
And then get a new link.
Yeah, so you can try it out now.
The interface is WhatsApp, but on the back end there's another. I'm assuming you.
Yeah. So it's a normal. So like so we are building actually lovable.dev for
I didn't want to mention it.
for but for India, and India's distribution is WhatsApp.
Yeah.
And even the voice chat. So you can call and you just talk कि जो कोई आपको बोलना है, it will create your website. So आपको कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So because that's a मतलब easier way. जैसे आपको सपोज एक Amazon टाइप की वेबसाइट बनानी है, तो कितना कॉस्ट लगेगा?
I have no idea. I'll probably like ask a few people like them about it and figure it out. Okay, how much should I pay? I have no idea. No reference.
आपको क्या लगता है?
I will ask her what she has gotten to know.
Okay.
I would, but I can guess because nobody will kill me. I think about a 2 lakh things, 2 lakhs.
ओके, लाख 2 लाख, ठीक है. और मैं ऐसे आपको बताऊँ कि कोबो के साथ आप जस्ट व्हाट्सएप पे आप अमेजॉन टाइप की वेबसाइट बना सकते हो, एंड दैट टू विद इन मिनट्स. और उसकी जो कॉस्ट होगी, इट वोंट क्रॉस लेट्स से 99 रुपीज़. देन
That's a great idea. I would like to try it.
यस. सो मतलब आप भी ट्राई करोगे?
Hard to believe, but what's the harm in trying? So.
आंसर अच्छे दे रहे हैं. सो प्लीज राइट डाउन द नंबर 9901
Share it with us.
63 63 1188.
Isn't it the same? Like, can't they just easily replicate what you're doing?
हाँ.
मतलब it's sort of like a replicable model of what you've built. They just need to integrate a voice or a prompt system on their.
You need to have like a WhatsApp integration.
नहीं सो नहीं. So एक मतलब आपका ये सेम क्वेश्चन डालो, मैं उसका आंसर दूँ.
हाँ, so मतलब how do you ensure that, how do you build moat here?
What's your moat?
What's your moat?
हाँ, so basically like you're saying कि suppose Lovable or Replit or Bold,
Exactly.
if they do the same thing, the what's the strategy
Yeah, just
here,
like
then how are you different than others?
Exactly.
Yeah, the same point. Even the Antler asked us. So basically, the difference.
Yeah.
So the major difference. Lovable कितना भी बड़ा हो, या even emergent if you say, ठीक है, they are not going to the farmers. लोकल जगह पे जाके उनकी वेबसाइट्स नहीं बनाने वाले, और कोई भी लोकल किराना वाला कभी ये मोबाइल यूज़ करके अपना ऐप नहीं बनाने वाला है. सो देयर आर MSMEs अराउंड 75 मिलियन MSMEs. ठीक है, उनको जाके वो जो बनवाने का काम है, मतलब लोकल मार्केट में जाके घूमना. यू आर फ्रॉम द
Make it a bit more vertically stacked, just thinking about it, because your use case is you're trying to focus. So you're trying to focus on, like, let's say folks like MSMEs. तो अब अगर आप पूरा सोचो तो they're not just going to be needing a website. They're going to be needing someone who's doing the search engine optimization, someone who's building the entire stack. Why not you make this entire stack prompt dependent? Because again, even SEO is possible by doing just tool calling using LLMs. Why not build the entirety of the stack? क्योंकि सिर्फ website is not going to work.
Yes.
You need website. You need to actually
GTM.
get that website to
Customers
GTM.
कैसे लाएंगे?
Exactly. You
Yeah.
need to have the entirety of that bit.
Yes.
So not just the website. Why
Yes.
not think about it in that sense that you've got an MSMEs and that's a very good market and they need it.
Agency model, no?
I'm saying a vertically stacked model that entirely helps it doesn't just build the website, but it actually
It
helps
builds a
get the
business
distribution for
from
it.
website. Yeah, so exactly that's what we are doing.
Awesome.
So basically, अभी हम लोग गांव-गांव में जाके we are making a videos of farmers. उनकी वेबसाइट उनको बना के देंगे, उनको कंज्यूमर्स तक पहुंचाएंगे. Not just farmers, even all the किराना वाला. So that's not, they are not going to do the global players. तो इसीलिए it's actually, इसीलिए हमारा जो bottom line है, it's build in India for India.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. बड़े अलग वाले लोग मिले. Nice meeting you.